Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an in-depth tutorial and review of Wix booking in 2025. If you run a business that depends on appointments, whether it's a salon, fitness studio, consulting service, or any other service-based business, Wix booking might be the perfect solution for you. We'll break down its key features, pros and cons, pricing, and a step-by-step tutorial to help you get started. Let's jump right in. Now, first of all, Wix Booking is an all-in-one scheduling and appointment management tool that integrates seamlessly with Wix websites. So whether you're offering a one-on-one services, group classes, or online consultations, Wix Booking allows clients to book and pay directly from your website. It's designed for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need a professional automated booking system without the hassle of third-party integrations. The best part? It works across desktop and mobile, so both you and your clients can manage bookings anytime, anywhere. Now let's go over some of Wix Booking's most powerful features or pros. Now clients can book appointments 24/7 directly through your Wix website, so this means there's no need for back and forth emails or calls. And you can reduce no-shows with automated email and SMS reminders for upcoming bookings. Now this ensures clients never forget their appointments. You can also fully personalize your booking page to match your brand, from colors to layouts. You can also add descriptions, images, and pricing details. And if you have a team, Wix allows you to assign different staff members to services and set their availability, making scheduling effortless. Now you can keep your schedule in sync by connecting Wix Booking to your Google Calendar, ensuring you never get double booked. And if your business offers recurring services or class packages, Wix lets you set up memberships and prepaid packages for customers. Now you can manage bookings on the go with the Wix Owner app, where you can check appointments, reschedule, or even chat with your clients. Now that you know the features, let's go through a step-by-step tutorial on setting up Wix Booking on your website. Now first, let's head on over to wix.com, sign in, and choose a website template that suits your business. Wix has pre-made booking templates for salons, fitness trainers, therapists, consultants, and more. Go ahead and pick the one that best fits your needs. Now once your site is set up, go to the Wix app market and search for Wix Bookings. Go ahead and click Add to Site, and the booking system will be integrated instantly. Now you can go ahead and customize your booking service. To do that, go to the Wix dashboard, Booking Systems, Services, and click Add a Service. Here, you can set a service name, description, and choose whether it's an individual session or a group class. You can also assign a price and duration, select which staff members offer the service, and also add images or videos to make the listing more appealing. Now to set up your staff's availability, go ahead and navigate to the Wix dashboard, go to Bookings, and then go to Staff. You can then go ahead and add your team members here. You can define their working hours. You can assign services to them, and even let clients choose their preferred staff when booking. And to enable your online payments, go to Dashboard, and then go to Settings, and go to Accept Payments. Here you can connect your Wix payments using PayPal, Stripe, or another payment provider. You can also set up deposit payments or allow full payments upfront. Now to prevent double bookings, go ahead and sync your Google Calendar. To do this, go to Settings and then Calendar Sync, and there you can connect your Wix bookings to your Google Calendar. Now all your bookings will automatically update across both platforms. And to customize your booking page, go ahead and head to the Wix editor and go to Bookings page. There you can adjust the colors, the fonts, the layout, and buttons to match your branding. You can also customize the booking form to collect additional information from clients, like preferences or even special requests. Now once everything is set up, go ahead and click Publish to make your booking system live. Do a test booking to ensure everything works smoothly before promoting it to clients. Now while the Wix Booking is a fantastic tool, it's not perfect. here are some downsides you should consider. And Wix charges a processing fee for online payments, which can add up over time. And while Wix Booking offers good customization, it's not as flexible as standalone booking software when it comes to complex scheduling needs. And some advanced settings are only available on desktop, making mobile management slightly restricted for business owners who prefer working on the go. And if you add too many features, Wix websites, including the booking system, may load slower than lightweight booking platforms. Now, in conclusion, Wix Booking is a powerful and easy-to-use tool for service-based businesses. Now, if you already use Wix for your website, it's a no-brainer since it integrates seamlessly. The automated reminders, online payments, and Google Calendar Sync make appointment management effortless. However, if you need highly advanced scheduling features or want a completely free booking system, you might want to explore alternatives. And there you go. That's it for today's tutorial and review. Now, if this has helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.